Cars and Coffee, Carolina Speeding Performance in Benson, North Carolina. This thing is awesome. 4.6 dual overhead cam engine, built, forged, billet rods, BMP supercharger, 800 horsepower, and a 6R80 transmission. Either way, the video you're about to watch is yesterday. I was at the dyno with Josh Kinsey at the Underground Garage, and we dynoed the TTFox for the second time. And this time, you'll notice that we fixed the spark blowout issues. We maxed out the turbos, and when I say maxed out, the more boost we put on it, it didn't make any more power, it wouldn't make any more boost. So by the end of the video, you'll get to see that these $249 a piece turbos from Maxpeeding aren't bad, but they do exactly what you think. They'll make 700 to 800 maxed out pretty easy, but after that, they're just very inefficient as a knockoff. If they were true Garrett 3582 turbos, it would have made 1,000 horsepower no problem. But that's just the design of a cheap knockoff turbo. But do they work? You know, the current price is $249 as of April 2026. Absolutely. For 500 bucks, you can get 2 turbos that'll make over 800 horsepower to LS motor. All right, so hope you liked the video. You'll get to see Josh ride with me. We do a little street driving, which I haven't done in a long time. And he's never had somebody drive the car as he rode in it. So it was a different experience for him too. So hope you liked the video. Try to throw in a bunch of little different stuff, and we'll talk to you soon. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Back on the dyno. Been a few weeks, new alternator, and made a few changes. That sounded great. I heard no spark blowout, sir.
No spidey sense whatsoever.
Nice.
There's I'm not sure what your.
All right.
Just stop the logs. Get ready.
All right. Let's get this up here. Let's just say, I'll just name this Dyno 1 log. Make 600 again?
Should be 691.
Are you serious? Yeah. All right, 690. So exactly where we left off then.
Yep.
All right. Well, I'll pull the deadlock, see what kind of boost. Does yours have the boost on it?
Yeah. Looks like the max boost was 19.7.
19.7. All right. I was commanding 20 and a half, and so if it's making just under 20, then perfect.
Yeah,
Then.
just make sure the laptop, like there'll be a little difference, but.
All right.
Just make sure nothing looks out.
Can only go up from here. We're literally where we left
almost
off.
like to the number, I think.
Yeah. Okay. All right, pass number 2. Picked up some, 826. It's done making power. 830.
That's it.
That's it. That's all it's got. That's all it's got.
That's all it's
Them Ching Chong boys are done, boy. The tongue's hanging out.
How crazy is it that a pair of $139 turbos could make 830 horsepower?
Right.
And then they're like, we're bummed about that.
We're bummed about it. Yeah.
Right. Well, they're 249.
Yeah, the new price. When you bought them, they were cheaper, but the tariff, the Trump tariff,
right.
$249,
right.
$500 turbos,
not
830,
not
and we're mad.
Right.
Like,
yeah. $249 turbo twice.
Yeah.
830. Golly.
Hey, it lived.
It did.
It lived. Yeah, I'm sure if we were to have measured back pressure, I'm sure that would be a, you know, a factor.
So, god dang it, loved it out back though. See how it was falling off before? You put those 2
like
degrees
that
in
timing.
it? Yeah.
Definitely like the timing. Not a radio, bro. What?
I know.
Paid $50 for a radio off Amazon.
Yeah, you said you grabbed a second one.
I did. I put one in my other white guard. I noticed they changed your road up here.
Yeah, I tried to straighten it out, whatever.
Turn to the right or
hang
left?
right.
All right. So going toward the church then.
Yep.
Gotcha.
I usually go to the church, turn around in the church parking lot,
Gotcha.
and then hit it like downhill going towards the bridge.
To give it a chance to hook.
Yeah, it's more likely to hook, you know, going down. God damn, that's fun. Woo! God, that's fun.
I'd say the slicks do pretty good, huh?
Yeah, man, not bad right
It
there.
was spinning them, but
hazy,
no,
it wasn't out of control, though.
fucking moving those.
Yeah.
Yeah, these tires make. I didn't want to tell you until you got it right.
Yeah.
Tires do make a difference.
Absolutely.
Yeah, it's pretty fucking spicy. Man. That's 12 pounds.
Yeah.
Right? That's nowhere near.
Oh shit, we're going on the button. No hope from a dig.
It was starting to get up in first. I went to half throttle.
Yeah.
In a second, and then it kind of.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, bro. Tires make all the difference.
Oh, yeah.
What's fun versus just, you know, it'll spin with the other ones, but it's just not.
There's not really pulling.
No.
Yeah, it was pulling
And it
pretty good.
impresses people, but I like to be pushed in the seat.
Absolutely.
And spinning, you know, like. Anyway.
How much air is in the tires right now, do you know?
17.
Crazy, like when I was at Fastlane, like an S550 that makes 580 is dog shit. Like they're like, I just gotta make 1,000 or make 800 or whatever.
Right.
And like I wanted so bad to get this car done.
Yeah.
Be like, here's 3,200 pounds of push rod, buddy.